Good morning. Today I want to go over the formula for Module 8 on page 478. This seems to be causing problems, so let's walk through it together carefully. First, I'm going to erase what I have here. And to start creating the formula, we want to click on Insert Function. This is an if function, so select if. And notice there are three parts to the logical if. The first part is the condition test, or the logical test. And our test consists of an OR, because we are testing for two different store values. So type in OR, and it's a good idea to go ahead and type in the parentheses for the OR. Now, if we look at the formula bar up here, we see we have a set of parentheses already typed for us for the if, and inside the if parentheses, we just typed OR, and it has a set of red parentheses. So we're currently working on the OR part of the logical test. So go ahead and click inside, either on the formula bar or in the dialog box. I'm using the dialog box. And put a space there just so we can see a little better. And now what we're checking for is the name of the store. And if the store's name is Bonham or the store's name is Graham, we're giving a salary increase of 35%. If that's not the case, everybody else from the other stores will get a salary increase of 25%. So the best way to handle this is to let Excel do the typing for us. Our criteria is store equal to Bonham or store equal to Graham. So click on cell H2, which corresponds to the store in the same row that we're putting this formula in for, and let Excel type the @store. Now we will type in the equal to, quote, Bonham. Don't forget your quotes at the beginning and end. You can add the comma. And again, click on cell H2 to let Excel do the typing. And we'll type in equal to, quote, Graham, end quote. That's the logical test part. If the store is Bonham or Graham, that is true. In the value if true part, we're going to give a salary increase of 35%. So again, let Excel do the typing. Find cell J2, click on it, and we're going to multiply that current salary times 0.035, 35%. And if it's false, click in the false box. Again, click on cell J2, the current salary. We will multiply that times 0.025. Okay, now we have the entire formula that we need. The things to remember is that you can let Excel do the typing for you by clicking on the correct field within the same row as the formula that we're working on. So since we were working on the salary increase for row 2 or record 2, then we need to be sure that when we let Excel do the typing, we're clicking on corresponding cells from row 2. Say okay? And then I've already put the autofill on, so this will autofill down the entire column. Okay, it just takes a little practice. Have a good day.